guys, it's cessiejanie here and I'm back for a new vlog. So the last time you guys saw me, I had braces on and I finally got it off. Yeah, I haven't really filmed that video because it was so awkward and it was like fast, you know. But I got retainers, which I have to have on every single time. But at the start I was like, okay, let me put this thing on. But now I'm just like, okay guys, I don't have makeup on and I look disgusting. But can someone please stop me from saying like? I don't get it. It's pink, made especially for me. Anyway, I will start vlogging. Not really, because it's almost evening. It's already 7:25 in the evening. But the reason why I'm starting this vlog is because I just went at the mall to get some things, which I'll show you guys later. But I'm going to vacation because right now we have a summer break. I'm going to vacation for 5 days and I'm gonna pack with you guys. That's why I just started the video now, because I was like, my day went boring and stressing. My day was a bit stressful and everything. So now I'm starting the vlog. Outfit of the day. Today, yeah, okay. My room is messy again, I'm sorry. But wait, I'll do a mini haul for you guys later on the video. But right now, I'm just looking through my clothes to see what I want to take with me and whatnot. Half of my clothes is gone though. So, by the way, I'm 100% gonna take my bikini. I'll show you guys. It's out there, I'll get it. So, let me get this chair. Don't you guys worry, because I'm gonna take you with me when I'm there. So, you're also gonna be on vacation with me. I got this bikini from H&M. It's just this white plain bikini with like this, and then I'm gonna go take this white shorts and I'm gonna take this with me, which I also showed you on my last vlog. But yeah, I'll be vlogging out there, so you guys don't worry. Oh, and by the way, I got a tattoo. Yeah, I got my star sign, which is Scorpio, right there. And then I'm gonna take this dress, which is also from H&M. Anyway, I'm gonna go iron it and I'm gonna get back to you guys. I bought this blades. Can you focus? So I can shave my legs. And I bought some new concealer from Fit Me Maybelline, which is my go-to concealer because I'm running off some concealer. And then I bought some skirt, which is from H&M. And if you guys are wondering, I'm size 32 on my waist, but my hips are too big, so I took 34, which is also a bit small at my hips, but too big at my waist. But whatever. And then I bought this freaking cool t-shirt crop top. I like it. I really like it. So I'm just gonna pack. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I actually hate these things. I just got a hole on my fucking new t-shirt. Are you you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you? Okay, so I changed and like so mad at myself, like why weren't I looking at this? I'm so dumb, really. I can't believe myself. Oh guys, I'll go back to you guys after I've packed because this video is getting too long.